They need to go into their kids' rooms, which they hardly ever do, okay, because by the time the kids get to a certain stage, they're in bed, parents disappear down the other end of the house. You've got to make a deliberate effort. You've got to go in and watch your child. And if your child is snoring or mouth breathing or stopping breathing, that's not normal. There's nothing about that that's normal. That needs assessment. And if in the process of that assessment you're told that it's benign snoring or primary snoring or they'll outgrow it, look, I can only advocate another opinion's worthwhile, because that advice is really just not consistent with what we know these days.